আবার এটা বলে পিকনিক স্পট।
মহিলা টয়লেট স্পট washroom, but we don't down here. We have need to this way. What is this in there? So guys, there are many type of gajar. So we can see that now there are what is this? Mula washroom. So male washroom, and in our besides there female. There are female, no? Female. Okay, nice, very nice. And then we can see that now it's a Tokai from Dinajpur. No Tokai. Look like Tokai. And in Bengali, we called this a chapri. Yes.
লাঠি গাছ না ওদের স্বভাবটাই এটা
অনেক রাত হয়েছে